In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Smartsheet, Report Builder 2026. Reports in Smartsheet are powerful views that pull information together so you can see the right rows, fields, and statuses in one place. Whether you're tracking tasks across multiple sheets or summarizing project metrics, this quick walkthrough will get you from a blank slate to a ready-to-configure report. Open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. If you're not already signed in, log in using your usual method. Enter your credentials or use your organization's single sign-on. That's it for the sign-in. Keep it simple and secure so you get right to work. After you sign in, you'll land on your Smartsheet home. On the left, you'll see the main navigation panel. This is where you can jump to recent items, browse workspaces, and for today, start something new. Select Create from the left sidebar. This opens the creation panel with templates and starting points designed to speed things up. You can browse around, but for our purpose, we'll head straight to the area that helps you spin up a report quickly. Scroll down until you find the Workspace Starting Points section. This section groups common building blocks so you don't have to search through every template. It's a helpful place to begin when you want a structured setup without starting from scratch. Choose Reports. You'll see two options: a row report and a sheet summary report. Here's how to decide. A row report consolidates rows from one or more sheets. Based on filters you choose, perfect for seeing tasks, issues, or requests across projects. A sheet summary report pulls the summary fields from multiple sheets into a single view, ideal for roll-ups like budget, status, dates, or KPI fields that live in each sheet's summary panel. If you need a list of items, pick Row Report. If you need a portfolio-level dashboard of metrics, pick Sheet Summary Report. Click the option that fits your goal, and Smartsheet will automatically create the report for you and open it in the builder. From here, the interface will guide you to choose which sheets or workspaces to include, what columns or summary fields to display, and any filters, sorting, or grouping you want. You can rename the report so it's easy to find later, and keep an eye on the report scope to make sure it's pulling from the right sources. A quick tip: start broad, then refine filters to surface only what matters. You can always adjust columns and criteria as your needs evolve. That's it. Your report is created and ready for configuration and sharing as your next step.